Welcome to the section of the course on ad psychology. I think this is very important to go through. In a lot of the Craigslist training I've seen, they show you how to post without getting flagged and walk you through their posting process. However, they never help people with the most important part, creating great ads. I was helping a business with their Craigslist posting and got a chance to interview their customers who had called in. A lot of people said they called because they finally saw an ad that didn't look like spam. Surprisingly, many said they looked through 10 to as many as 25 ads before they called someone. I don't think people enjoy sifting through ads. It's just most ads are written very poorly. This gives us a huge opportunity to create ads that end their search. A lot of people think to create great Craigslist ads, you need to be clever or creative. But this is not necessarily true. A lot of the cleverness in other mediums, like commercials, billboards, and magazines, exists to get your attention, so you don't switch the channel, drive by, or flip the page. Craigslist is a little different because they're already searching for you. Also, what's more important than the cleverness is the deeper principles behind those ads, which we'll learn today. As you may know, there are three parts to the Craigslist ad. There's the title, the uploaded images, and the body text. Those are the three opportunities to really attract your customers. The title is sort of like the billboard or the commercial or the magazine ad. It's what gets people's attention when they're looking through the listings. But once you get them to click, the uploaded images and the body text are your opportunity to get them to call or email you. What gets them to call you is rooting your ad in what they want. And what they want isn't always so obvious. We're now going to look at the 8 biologically programmed desires that people have. This comes from the book Castratizing by Drew Eric Whitman. If you've never read the book, I highly recommend it. What I've listed here is what Whitman and many agree to be the 8 undeniable biological needs we humans have. They're survival, enjoyment of life and life extension, enjoyment of food and beverage, freedom from fear, pain, and danger, sexual companionship, comfortable living conditions, to be superior or winning, care and protection of loved ones, and social approval. Note that on Craigslist, they're already searching for your service. They have a functional need. They need you to clean their carpet or help them move or take their wedding photos. But what makes an ad more powerful is if you can appeal beyond their functional needs. By framing your service as meeting one of these Life Force 8 needs, you're giving them additional reasons to call or truly getting at why they're really calling. We're now going to look at examples of how these Life Force 8 principles work in advertising. In this example, we have a karate school that has taken 2 angles in their advertising. The ad to the left appeals to the need to care and protect loved ones. Note the headline Bully Proof and the young son. The ad to the right appeals to the need for sexual companionship. Everyone knows that black is slimming. Here's even another angle that a karate school could take. The need to be free from fear, pain, and danger. Next, we have 2 yoga studios that have both taken different angles. The ad on the left appeals to the need to survive and extend life. Renew your health and vigor regardless of your age or fitness level. The ad to the right appeals to the need for sexual companionship. You'll see a lot of the Life Force 8 on product advertisements. This is to create a need for the product that goes beyond its utility. A car is more than a vehicle to satisfy your need to get from point A to point B. The left ad is communicating BMW will satisfy your need to be superior. My bonus is faster than your bonus. The right ad communicates that BMW will satisfy your need for social approval. It turns heads, changes minds. Everyone's a little different, and certain Life Force 8 needs might appeal to you more than others. So you can take your service and highlight different facets of it that people would resonate with. Here, American Airlines did 2 ads. On the left, it appeals to people's needs for enjoyable food and beverage. On the right, it appeals to people's need for comfortable living conditions. In the next section, we're going to talk about the 9 learned wants. These are needs we learned growing up. We'll also see how they relate to the Life Force 8. I'll see you in the next lesson.